Are you ready for the finish? Oh, yes! I'm so glad to be done that project. Oh my gosh, what a ton of work, but so worth it. I know what you're thinking. What do I gotta do to get on that guy's dick? Well, this is your lucky day because I just started an online woodworking school, and to celebrate, I am hosting an in-house timber framing workshop August 17th to 19th. There's only like a few spots left, so if you go and sign up right now, you can get in on that. It's basically just gonna be a 3-day woodworking party. Hopefully nobody loses any fingers. I am so stoked for this workshop. It is gonna be a ton of fun. But remember, you only have until June 22nd to sign up for the school, after which we are closing the doors. That way I can just focus all my energy, all my time, doing live hangouts on our private Facebook group, building content. I got a whole set of deck furniture ready to go here so that we can party hard come August. As well as we got a whole series coming on beginner type stuff, like setting up your wood shop, tools that you need, tools that you don't need. We're building an awesome, simple, sexy Japanese samurai style set of sawhorses. So there's gonna be tutorials on all this stuff, you guys. So if you wanna awaken your inner samurai, follow the link in the description box below, hit the link up in the corner. I look forward to meeting you, at least on Facebook, hopefully at the timber framing workshop in August. So don't miss out, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one. Samurai out.